Very good morning, children. In today's session, we are going to discuss file handling. In file handling, we are going to discuss how to handle CSV file. In the previous sessions, we have discussed how to handle a text file, and then we have discussed how to handle a binary file using a pickle module. And in this session, we are going to understand what do you mean by CSV file and how it can be handled in Python. That is what we are going to understand today. First, let us understand what do you mean by CSV file. First of all, file handling means for storing the data permanently or dealing with the data which are stored permanently. That is the purpose of file handling. So in many of the situations, we need to store the information in a form of a table. Whatever the project that you choose, whether it is employee management or student management or stationery, whatever it may be. So wherever you go, you need to store large amount of data in a form of a database or in a form of a table form. So how to handle that data which is in a table form? So the answer to that question is CSV file. CSV stands for comma separated values. CSV, it is a simple file format used to store tabular data such as a spreadsheet or a database. So CSV, this is a file format using which you will be able to deal with the data which is in a table form. So table form in the sense you will be having rows and columns, right? Okay, and then you will be able to store large amount of data. So it can be either a spreadsheet or it can be a database as well, right? Okay, so it is used to deal the data in that format. So files in CSV format can be imported to and exported from programs that store data in tables such as Microsoft Excel or OpenOffice, whatever may be the format. Okay, so if it is in a table form, so this CSV file format is very useful. A comma separated values file is a delimited text file that uses a comma to separate the values. Okay, that is, so here say for example, if it is a student database, in a student database you may need to store student name and then age, date of birth and then mark. So if these are all the value, it will be stored in the form of student name comma age comma, that is every single value is separated by comma. That is what it is called as comma separated value. Okay, so in this file format I'll be dealing with the information where the informations, that is the fields or the columns, are separated by comma. Each line of file is a data record, that is horizontally it is a row. Okay, so in a row it is called as, in a row it will give you the information about one particular student. So horizontally it is called as a record. Each line of file is a data record. Every single line is a record. Each record consists of one or more fields separated by commas. The use of comma as a field separator is the source of the name for the file format, which is comma separated value. Okay, so CSV, it's nothing but it is a file format where the informations are separated. Okay, separated by comma. Okay, so and then that value can be later be it should be in a table form. Okay, so that is what CSV file is all about.